Words in the English language can be made up of several different parts. Understanding those parts can help us determine the meaning of a word. Today, we will learn what a base word is and how adding word parts, such as prefixes and suffixes, can create a new word. So, have you ever read a word like endangered and wondered what it meant? Knowing we can break the word into smaller parts helps. The English language, there are two types of words that can be broken down into smaller units and words that cannot. The part of the word that cannot be broken down is called a base word, and also known as a root word. The base word gives us the basic meaning. Sometimes base words have a prefix, which is better known as letters that added to the beginning or at the end is called a suffix. Now, let's take a look at a few examples of prefixes and suffixes, how they change a word's meaning. For example, if we take the word happy, happy means feeling or showing pleasure or contentment. But add un to happy and it means unsatisfied or not pleased. Now adding the prefix un to the base word happy changes the meaning. Care means to feel concerned for something. But add less to it, care less, which means not concerned or worried about anything. So adding the suffix less to the base word care changes the meaning to the complete opposite of what care originally meant. View. View means the ability to see something, but adding the suffix er changes it to one who views. So once again, adding the suffix changed the meaning of the word. So what about finding base words? Can you find the base word in any of these three words? Undo, redo, and undoing? The base word is do in undo, do and redo, and do and undoing. Do you see how undoing added a prefix and a suffix? How about the words reread, reading, and pre-read? The base word here is read. Let's try one more set. Jumping, jumped, and jumps. The base word is jump. Now sometimes there are challenging words that make finding the base word a little more difficult. You may encounter things that have both a prefix and a suffix added to the base word. We will carefully evaluate these words to determine what the base word is. Here's endangered again. Now look at this. From the beginning of the lesson we saw this word. N is a prefix which means to cause. Ed is a suffix that is a past tense. So the base word danger plus the prefix and suffix means to have caused danger. Let's try another word, unimaginable. Un is a prefix that means not. Able is a suffix that means capable. So the base word must be imagine. All these word parts put together mean not able to be imagined. Do you see how that works? Let's take a look at one more example, because it's not that easy finding the base word. How about rewinding? Look carefully. We can see the prefix re, which means again, but do you see any other parts? How about the suffix ing, which means the action of? This leaves us with the base word of wind. Rewinding means in the process of winding again. So let's review. The base word is the core unit of the word that has no extra parts. While the base word gives us the basic meaning of the word, the addition of prefixes, letters added to the beginning of words, and suffixes, letters added to the end of the word will change